Hello everyone, my name is Nakapan Pungpan. I'm the co-founder and master instructor here at the Beta Academy in Washington, D.C. I want to thank you for joining us for a martial arts instructional training video. Now if you consistently practice the techniques I'm about to show you, you're going to be one step closer to learning how to defend yourself on the street. You're going to see that training martial arts, studying martial arts is much more than just punching and kicking. Okay? As martial artists here, we believe in discipline, respect, and the pursuit of perfection. We take a three-pronged approach to learning the combat aspects of martial arts. One, we have Muay Thai kickboxing, which focuses on striking, elbows, knees to deliver devastating attacks against our opponents. On the other hand, we have Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, which focuses on grappling. Smaller opponents can learn the secrets of Jiu-Jitsu to control bigger and stronger opponents and subdue them with arm locks, chokes, and other joint manipulations to render them helpless. Now, mixed martial arts, what we do is we take a successful combination of the two into one complete fighting philosophy. So let's get started. Hello everyone, Kunkur Nakapan here in the Muay Thai ring in the combat room. And today I'm gonna get to show you the knee, all right? But before we even do the knee, I wanna show you how to properly stand. And so what we're gonna do here, boom, this is our Muay Thai stance. This is where all of our strikes are gonna come from. It's a very simple stance, easy to do. So how am I gonna do this? Start with my feet together. Now I'm right-handed, so I want this to be my rear hand and deliver strong punches, okay? So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna step forward with my left foot. Boom. Now, next thing I'm gonna do is move my back foot 2 inches, okay, past my shoulder. Now my hips slightly turn to the side. My hand's gonna come up and we're gonna draw my hands down to my face here. Okay? Notice my chin tucked. This is really important because if you do get hit, and if you're striking, it tends to happen sometimes, you want to make sure your chin is tucked. That way you take all the shots right on that forehead right there, and not in the nose, not in the chin, so your head doesn't start rocking. Okay, so my hands come down. Now my thumbs want to be able to touch my temples, but they're not going to. They're going to stay right here. Elbows are going to stay tight, and turn my hands out just a little bit. Okay, so this is a good stance right here. All my strikes, my jab, my cross, my knee, my elbow, whatever you want to throw is going to come from this position. Okay, right here. Now we're going to move on to the knee. So let me show you how that works. Boom, there's the knee. Okay, now at the Beta Academy, we break down our techniques. We're using 3 points of performance. Why do we do that? It creates a framework for you to work from. And then what you do then in class is we continue to do repetitions, and hone those skills. And over time, your technique's going to improve and get better. Okay, so the 3 points of performance for the knee is going to be 1, stepping with the lead foot and come up on the ball of the foot there. It's very important. Okay, lift your body up. Number 2, what we're going to do is just bring our rear leg up and keep our foot pointed down to the ground. Very important that my foot is tucked in tight. Okay? I don't want to leave my foot up because what happened now is my knee is not very sharp. So I want to make sure my foot is tucked, and now I get all my knee focusing all the strength forward. Okay? So here we go. Number 1, step up. Number 2, strike with the knee, foot tight. The third thing you're going to do is just bring your hands down to your hip. Boom. It's going to allow us to raise our body up, and it also, as if we're pulling our opponent's head down into our pocket right over here, okay? Boom. Now, at the Beta Academy, very important that we break down everything into incremental parts. And what we do is we do 3 points of performance because it's easy to remember, and then what we do is we continue to do the repetition, and your technique gets better and better every single time. Okay, so that's the knee. One more time. Now imagine how many times you're going to do this. In a class, you're going to burn so many calories. And now the great thing about the knee is a very devastating attack. Whatever it hits, it's going to hurt. Whether it's an arm, whether it's a rib, okay, whether on the street it's the groin. You can throw the knee strike anywhere. Anybody can do it. It's very simple to do, which is one of the reasons why we teach this as a foundational technique for you to improve your Muay Thai. Okay? So here we go. And that is how you throw the knee.